Okay, in this module, we'll take a look at how to sign up with the system and create your first bot. To get started, click Sign Up. You'll set your email address. And set a password. You'll want to set this time zone to your current time zone. This will become the default time zone when you're creating anything within the system. And that's it, you're in. All right, at the overview page, you'll see that basically you don't have any sort of activity yet. Let's start changing that. So to do that, what we need first is we need a bot. So we're going to click Bots, and then we're going to click Create a New Bot, and give your bot a name. In this case, the name will be whatever your business name is, or if you are doing nonprofit or governmental work, it would be a name appropriate to that. This your subscribers will end up seeing this. So this description is just for your benefit. The time zone is basically so you can set the time zone to your local bot's time zone. If you are, and then all of your setup and subsequent message sending will be shifted to that time zone. So you'll be working in the time zone of your bot. I'm in the East Coast Eastern time zone, so I'll stay here. Daytime, we recommend you check. This basically sets the bot where it will only send messages from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. It'll discard messages beyond that time. Unhandled to inbox, the system has the ability to handle messages that come in that we don't understand a number of different ways. Unhandled to inbox basically just sends them to your inbox, which we'll view in another section, and doesn't reply so that you can handle those manually. Conversational mode is the other way that you could handle this potentially, and that would be that our system would automatically try to reply. This can be a little feisty, I guess, for lack of a better way to do it, so we recommend that you uncheck that. The opt-in code is basically the code that you want people to have to text to start. This opt-in code, you can optionally say that if, say, it's you want any person who texts you to start the sequence, you can actually click this and it will just allow any inbound message to be the equivalent of the opt-in code. The welcome message is basically the first message the user will receive. You set the message. You have the ability to skip the message, so it won't try to send it. The compliance message is basically when you're in it, when you're doing work that is in a commercial nature, you're required to do this by law. You can also, if you're doing, again, non-commercial work, you can skip this message. And this is the opt-out message. Once the person opts out, this is the final message that they'll receive. You can ignore these for now, set the status to active, and create a bot. And that's it. Your bot's set up and going. The next thing you'd want to do is add a channel to communicate through. By default, the system has the ability to communicate through the API channel. So if you have worked with us to create a custom application, that would be all you would need to do. If you want to connect through the SMS channel or through Facebook, watch the tutorials on those sections to learn how to set up a SMS connection or a Facebook page connection. If you have any questions, let us know.